Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Tuesday. Feliz Martes. It's a beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but I love a little bit of chill. I love me a good sweatshirt. I went on a walk with the dog and my mom this morning, and I had coffee 6 feet away from my neighbor outside, which was nice. And yeah, so it's shaping up to be a good day. Oh, shaping up. That leads me to our next activity for today. So we are going to be learning about some shapes, making some shapes, drawing some shapes, some shapes. So I'm going to be using popsicle sticks because I have a bunch of them in my house. But if you don't have popsicle sticks, go outside and go find some sticks. You don't need that many. The biggest shape that we're going to make, you only need 8 sticks. So you can pause this video right now, go get some sticks, or ask mommy and daddy if they have popsicle sticks. You could also use pencils, pens, markers, anything that kind of has this general straight shape that you can make other shapes out of. So here we go. I'm excited. Let's learn some shapes. Okay, so the first shape that we're gonna do, we only need 3 sticks for. This is gonna be our smallest shape, or I guess our shape with the least amount of sticks. So we got 3 sticks. Can anybody guess what shape we're gonna do? We have this one, and then we have this one, and we have, whoop. What shape am I making? What shape am I making? Oh, we got a triangle! Beautiful! So now what I'm gonna do, since it's going to be a little hard since I'm videoing this at the same time, but hopefully it will work out. I'm going to trace this shape, which I encourage you guys to do as well. Do it on a nice piece of paper. So we're going to trace. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, it's not very straight. Lo siento. There we go. Okay, so then you can take the sticks away. And here you have a triangle. So let's do triangle. So, do we know what letter this is? T, exactly. So we have T. Now, how many sides is this? How many sticks did we use to make this? We used 1, 2, 3. Okay, we used 3 sticks to make this triangle. So this word try right here, T-R-I, try, means 3. Triangle. Tri means 3. So if you think about, if you've ever heard of tricycle, a tricycle has 3 wheels. Tri always means 3. All right, let's move on to our next shape. Okay, so now we're going to use our 3 sticks that we used before, but now we're going to add a stick. So let's count our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 sticks. So we're going to make nice, easy one. What shape do you think I'm gonna make? Can you see it? What shape is this? This is a square. Beautiful. So let's do a little tracey. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel free to pause this video at any time to make sure you have your shapes and your sticks looking right, but I definitely encourage you to try and draw the shapes, trace around the sticks. So we have 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 sticks. That means a square has 4 sides. Now, the thing about a square that makes it different is that all 4 sides are equal in length. That's what makes a square. Okay, triangles the shapes can be a little bit different. So I could do a triangle like this. It can be a little bit different. That's still a triangle. But if you make the sides of a square different, it becomes a different shape, which we're going to talk about next. So I'll go back over here. Don't want to get too ahead of myself. So we have square, square, S, square. What letter do you think square starts with? S, very good. Square. Now I'm like self-conscious if I'm spelling everything right. Okay, so you've got a square with how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Square with 4 sides. All right, let's go on to our next shape. Sneak peek. Okay, so now we're gonna do our next shape, and we have our 3 original sticks plus the one we added for the square. So we have 4, and I'm gonna add 2. So we have 4 plus 2 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have 6 sticks. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna just put this one up top here, this one down here, this one over here, this one down here, this one up here, this one down here. Okay, do we know what shape this is? This is, it kind of looks like a square. If I put another stick right here, how many squares do I have? 2. 1, 2. Now if I take this away, it's a bit of a different shape because this time 2 are the same size, 2 are different sizes. So let's trace this and see if we get a similar, whoa, oop, that was not a good line. I'm so sorry. We're going over here. Going over here. Going over here. Wow, this is kind of hard. Okay. There we go. So if we move these sticks out of the way, we have our rectangle. Okay. Now technically, a rectangle still only has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though we did use 6 sticks to make it. So I hope that wasn't too confusing. Now, the word rectangle. Rectangle. What letter do you think it starts with? R. R for rectangle. There we go. All right, let's move on to our next shape. Okay, so for this one, I took 2 of the sticks from the rectangle away. So how many sticks do we use for the rectangle? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I take 2 away, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this shape also has 4 sides. It looks a little bit different. Can you guess what shape I'm making? Anybody know the shape? Shine bright like a diamond. It's a diamond! Let's do some tracing. Oh, line went a little crazy. Oh no, that line also went kind of crazy. So sorry. So we have our diamond. Still 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we were to turn it like this, what shape do we have? Looks like a square, right? Kind of crazy. Shapes are nutty. Okay, so we've got our diamond. When I see this, I immediately think of, what does this look like to you? A kite! Hopefully you guys got that right. I don't have the best drawing capabilities. But yeah, so I always think of a kite when I think of a diamond. So the word diamond, diamond. What letter does diamond start with? D for diamond. Woo! All right, awesome, awesome. Okay, so now we're still gonna keep our 4 sticks, but we're gonna do one that's a little bit different. It's a little bit more advanced. Hopefully you guys can keep up. I'm sure you are. I'm sure you can. All right, so we got 2 sticks there. Oh, make that a little blip. Okay. All right. So we have, oh, let me move this up. Okay. So we have this shape. It looks very similar. What does it look like up here? A diamond. Yeah, and actually, if you put this right in the middle, what shape do we have on top? Triangle. Very good. What shape do we have on the bottom? Another triangle. Crazy. 2 triangles make a diamond. They also make this weird shape that has 4 sides, but see how it's kind of off center? Like the sticks are not straight up and down like this, but they're off to the side. This is called a rhombus. Can you say rhombus? Rhombus. There we go. You can see my carrots. My mom said those carrots were icky, but I think they're yummy, so I stole them. Okay. Rhombus. Rhombus. What is our... Oh no, I gave it away. Rhombus starts with the letter R. I think rhombus. I'm actually not sure how to spell rhombus. I think it has an H. Rhombus. There we go. Back again. So sorry. I forgot to trace my rhombus. Okay, here we go. Make sure you guys are tracing. We trace. Ooh, wow. My lines are not straight. I bet your guys' lines are better than mine. There's our rhombus. Okay. Okay, so for this next shape, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, our 4 sticks, plus a 5th one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do, anybody guess what shape I'm going to make with 5? Here we have, it looks like a house to me. I would totally live there. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, again, your guys' lines are going to be way better than mine. So we have this shape with 5 sides. This is called a pentagon. Pentagon. So what do you think Pentagon starts with? What letter? P. Pentagon. There we go. And remember when I said that the word tri in triangle meant 3? Penta right here means 5. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Okay, so for this next one, we're going to take our 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and add 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's see if this fits on the paper. Anybody have any idea what shape I'm going to be building? Anybody know? Not perfect, but you at least should get to the idea. Okay, here, let's trace it first. Let's see if I can do this. Make it a little better. 2, I'm going to count the sides as I go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 sticks. That means 6 sides. So this is a hexagon. Hexa meaning 6. So, what letter do you think hexagon starts with? Harrison might know. An H. There we go. Hexagon. And again, hexa meaning 6. Okay, so now we have our 4 sticks plus our 6 for our hexagon. So we have 6 sticks. And I am going to add 2 more sticks. So 6 plus 2 is how many? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Look at us, doing math, doing letters, doing shapes. So cool. Okay, so let's see, we're gonna have 8. See if it'll, I don't know if it'll fit. Ah, it's very hard to do one-handed. Okay, here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Let me put this piece of paper underneath here. Oh, it's okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. so I can do some tracing. Wow, I did not think it would be this big. These are big popsicle sticks. Okay. All right, so let's trace it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, please excuse my poor drawing skills. So now, anybody know what shape this is with 8 sides? This is an octagon. Can you say octagon? Octagon. What letter do you think octagon starts with? Oh. Octagon. With octa meaning, what do you think octa means? If we have 8 sides, how many do you think octa means? 8. There we go.